Assalamu alaikum friends, and today I have t-shirt design for you, and here is 4 different format and total size of these files are folder. Here is 1.47 GB you see, and total file is 416 in 4 folder. Okay, and here is EPS file for Adobe Illustrator user. You see here is 104 file, and next is JPG file and high definition 2.95 MB. Here is 3.42 MB, and here is 3.91 MB. Okay, you see all files are high definition. And next is PNG user. Here is 104 files in PNG full high definition. You see 1 point something MBs every photo, and resolution is 6301 and 6300. Okay, next is SVG files. Here is 104 file, Microsoft Edge, I think, display. Okay, Edge, Microsoft Edge. Okay, so first I drag this file to Adobe Illustrator. Wait, I'm not responding. Wait. Okay, you see here the design. You see this side mask, and here is our design. Extract group, you see, and here is font color, and last is background. Group, extract, and then you can change color. Okay, so these files are CMYK color, that's mean printable file. You can print on any t-shirt design, or you can make a t-shirt design, and you can change more. Next is JPG file, and I drag this file to Adobe Photoshop like this. Drag to Photoshop, and sorry for this time. And these are JPG. You can't change any color or anything. Just you change color. Select magic tool, and depend your own choice. Okay, no, and here's no. So all are high definition files. You see my laptop is too slow because currently run on UPS. Wow, sorry for background noises. Here is rain start, and these folder are PNG file. You better know for PNG without any background. So you see here, wow, you can move it anywhere you like. Wow, that's okay. And SVG, I hope this data useful for you. Kindly join my Telegram channel, Sheri Official. Take care, Allah.